Battle Royale games are here to stay, and it's time to accept that. Titles like PUBG Mobile and Fortnite have been killing it in the scene, be it on PC, consoles, or on smartphones. Hoping to taste the same flavor of success, there is a new player in the field. Survival Game is the latest Battle Royale game from Xiaomi. The game follows the same concept of Battle Royale like every other game you already know. However, is the game really worth your time? Hey guys, this is Varun from Mr. Phone, and today we'll be talking about Xiaomi's latest new game, that is Survival Game. Actually, you know what? I was thinking of doing a proper review about it, but I'll just be ranting on it because the game doesn't deserve anything else. Well then, let's get started. But before we get started, subscribe to Mr. Phone and hit that bell icon to stay tuned to all of our new videos. Right off the bat, I want to talk about the name for a bit. Survival Game. Yeah, that's it. I mean, talk about lack of creativity. It's like Xiaomi is targeting those users who just go onto the Play Store and search for any battle royale or survival game. Oh wait, that can't be it, because the game isn't even available on the Google Play Store. Yup. That's right. For some reason, Xiaomi decided that it's a great game that would probably drive users towards its smartphones. So they've made the game available only on the Mi App Store. Not that I would recommend it, but if you still want to install it on your device, I have a link to a very simple guide that I wrote in the description box below. Let's get on with the game, shall we? Hold on. What the is this? Why is my character different? Yeah, that was my initial reaction to this crap. It took me a couple of logins to actually realize that the game resets your character every time you log in. Like seriously, it resets everything. I mean, for starters, it does not save your login credentials. You have to keep logging in every time you want to play. And then, you have to face this new character every time as well. For God's sake, Xiaomi, how could you have overlooked this? In a world where PUBG Mobile and Fortnite make money simply by cosmetic microtransactions, Survival Game actually just generates a random character every time on its own. Now, coming on to the game itself, just look at this. Okay, so the way I look at it, a game either has to be high resolution or the classic 8-bit. Xiaomi Survival Game is neither of them. And it's just plain bad. The graphics look like something out of 2006. If you're a fan of PUBG Mobile or Fortnite, Survival Game will seem like a half-baked clone. In Xiaomi's defense, it does help the device run on mediocre devices too. But then again, Xiaomi could have easily added a high-quality toggle. The game looks damn bad and there are no two ways about it. I did decide to move away from the graphics and focus on the gameplay and its mechanics next. Xiaomi calls it a sci-fi shooter with battle royale. In fact, looking at the initial screenshots, I had imagined a battle royale adaptation of Halo. Yeah, that is where my imagination led me, and damn, I was disappointed. The only sci-fi feature that there is on this game is the jetpack. Yeah, it sounds cool, but it just doesn't live up to the hype. Sure, it can assist you in avoiding enemy fire at times and climbing rooftops, but it still feels kind of stupid. That's because the flight mechanics don't allow for a decent movement. And you get that feel from the get-go, to be honest, when you're jumping out of the spaceship. Unlike PUBG or Fortnite, there is no way to properly dive towards the ground, which makes the entire gameplay feel so damn slow. Oh, and then there are the game mechanics. The gun animations look bad, but let's just skip that for a minute. The overall controls feel haphazard. Despite the layout being similar to every other battle royale game out there, it just isn't as responsive. Also, if you've ever compared PUBG Mobile with any of the PC or the console versions, you would notice that the developers have actually toned down the recoil of guns to make it easier for mobile. Sadly, there is no such thing on Xiaomi. With Survival Game, gun recoil is another thing that is not well implemented. Either the spray hits everywhere except the target, or there is no recoil at all. Yes, you might be able to get used to the game, but that's not the point. The point here is not about whether you can or not, it's more about whether you should. There is nothing, like absolutely nothing in Xiaomi Survival Game that makes it a recommend. To top it all, the company has the audacity to say that the game has been designed specifically for the Indian audience. I mean, I take offense in that. Okay, to be completely fair, Xiaomi does state that this is a public beta. But if this is the sign of things to come, well, I'm sorry.
This ain't it, Chief.
Well, that was my short review or rant about Xiaomi's new survival game. Let us know in the comments below whether you'll be trying the game out and whether you would like to see more videos of this kind. That's all from my side, and I'll see you in the next one.